somebody ends up coming. But anyways, I went with this top and some leggings and my sneakers. And as far as the suitcase goes, I have this suitcase and this little duffel bag and double jackets, as well as a neck pillow. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because there's more to come. Okay, if you guys are wondering why I keep posting these outfits, so it's because I packed in a small carry-on 18 daily outfits, and I am doing outfits of the day each day while I'm on this trip. Outfit of the day, day number 2. I will be wearing an all black dress, and I have my fanny pack over here and black leggings underneath and some boots from the back. Can you see from the back? This fanny pack is going to be a lifesaver because I don't really like purses that I have to hold on to, so it's a good addition. I can wear it underneath my jacket, and it is pickpocket proof because it will be in the front, so no pickpocketers will be getting me today. No. By the way, remind me to tell you guys about the time I got pickpocketed in Greece like 3-4 years ago by gypsy kids. Yeah, gypsy kids pickpocketed me and stole like 200 euros. Luckily, they didn't steal my passport. Yeah, I think I lost my voice. We're getting off. And it's super fast. Hey guys, I'll show you where we are when we get to the upstairs. Where are we?
Center of Athens.
We are in the center.
Yeah. Are we gonna go this way?
Athens.
So these are really nice hotels here. The Grand Hotel. Yeah. One of the nicest hotels and all the. Because this is Constitution Square. This is where the Congress is.
Ah, okay. Hey, did you get that, guys? Constitution Square.
It is.
Day number 5. Okay, so we walked a little bit further down past all the ruins, and these are like the souvenir shops. Souvenirs are not too pricey down here, which you wouldn't expect. And they have leather, lots of leather, cool sweaters down there, which look really trendy. Then we have some jewelry over here. Day 6. Maroon pants and the same style shirt as the green one. Also, I bought some colored contact lenses that I'm going to go ahead and try on, that I will be doing a review for. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I look like with new contact lenses, go ahead and stay tuned for that because it's coming soon. the day, and it's the second to last outfit. Turns out this little suitcase, I packed way more than I needed, and I have a lot more outfits that I didn't pair together, and they're just in the suitcase, so I brought unnecessary things. But for this being the size that it is, it's super small. I was able to pack for almost 3 weeks of traveling and for different temperatures as well as different attire and events. So I hope you guys liked my little random segment of my outfit of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm taking a break from lipstick and makeup, and I will be editing.